Bro, you know what? No, you know what? No, no, no. I'm not gonna get mad. 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 Not this time. No. I'm not gonna get mad. It doesn't bother me. Positive energy, positive energy. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me. It bothers me. It really
Said, take a look at what happened.
Have you try rocket ready? 1, 2, 3.